The city's answer was very disrespectful to my son, Tamir. I have not received an apology from the police department or the city of Cleveland in regards to the killing of my son. And it hurts.
We come here to address the shocking response from the city for the first time in unison. Their response that said a 12-year-old child is responsible for his own death based on what we saw in that video because he wasn't careful. We find it very insulting and disrespectful, not just to this family, but to the memory of a dead child. The city had over 30 days, at least 30 days, Attorney Madison, to deliberate, to contemplate, and articulate their response to our complaint filed on behalf of Tamir Rice. We believe that the city of Cleveland has many, many resources, many individuals who methodically and deliberately looked at the answer to this complaint, and they chose the words they chose. And we believe had it not been for the overwhelming backlash, not just here in Cleveland, but all across America, when they read that answer and said that 12-year-old Tamir Rice was responsible for his own death because he wasn't careful. Very, very disrespectful. We think the pattern of disrespect to Tamir, his family, was evident from the moment they got there to the community center. And don't take Attorney Madison's word or my word for it, the family word. Look at the video yourself.
And with this video, we want you to pay particular attention to the synchronized stop clock in the upper left-hand corner. As we see Tamir milling about, seemingly waiting on somebody. Tamir is shot in 0.792 seconds.
Anytime they try to justify what happened on that surveillance video that we see with our own eyes in any way other than to say, we made a mistake, we were wrong, we are at fault, and we want to try to heal this family and this city and move forward and try to learn from this. Anything short of that, we continue the pattern of disrespect to a dead 12-year-old boy.